Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can fix light flickering in videos on the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro or the Pro Max. So the iPhone camera is blinking a lot at the moment, as you can see. So here is what you can do to fix it. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, launch the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, switch over to video, and when you see the camera is flickering or the screen is blinking a lot, what you can do is you go to the top corner of your camera and you want to change the FPS down to say 30 or 60. So here I'm at 60 FPS. If I zoom out, you can see I have 60 FPS at the moment, and when I record the video, it's no longer flick. So here, if I play the video, it's not flicking. My previous videos, it flicks a lot. Now this is due to the indoor lighting. So if you are using, say, fluorescent light or LED light, they tends to flashes a lot because they are emit out at 120 FPS. For the normal eye, we cannot see it, but in the camera, it shows as a flickering light. Another thing that you can do is go into settings. In settings, we go down to camera, and then we tap on record video. In here, we can set the default settings to 4K at 60 FPS. So this is just the default settings. So whenever we start to record videos, it will use this default settings instead. So here you don't really need 4K at 120 FPS at all. It offers high resolution, but it also take up a lot of storage space. And when you are indoor, when you stay indoor, and especially when you are using LED light, the camera will flashes a lot. So here, if I relaunch my camera, and if I go to video, and here you can see the default has now been set to 4K 60 FPS, and the camera doesn't blink or flick anymore. And that's it. That's how you can fix it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.